Mm. I am live now. We are here now in Nova Scotia. We are in Annapolis exhibition. Annapolis Valley exhibition. So we enter here. Lots of cows. Huh? Did you see that, guys? Why they have a ring like that? Oh, really?
These ones are off.
Say hi, Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmy.
Hi to everybody.
Hi to everybody.
No, I don't video yet until there. Huh? This is so yummy. Oh my goodness. Hello, Carol. CJ, hello. You see? Look at that, guys. Pumpkin. we need a grass. Oh my goodness. Oh no, sorry. Make you hard. Why stick out the...
Not much grass around here, is there?
Hi, hello.
Filipino.
I give you some.
He wants like 1,000 times more than that.
Finally, we are in Nova Scotia. And we are here in the big exhibition, Annapolis Valley. So, just arrived this morning. We sleep 3 hours. Now we are here. This one is for the racing.
No, they pull the weight.
Ah, they pull the weight.
Right?
Yeah. So we're gonna go in the other side. There are a lot, eh? This cow is well trained for pulling heavy.
No, this is not for pulling. This is for show.
For show.
You're in a different barn now.
Ah, okay. What happened? Oh. Registered Paul Hereford. Hello, Sisi. Ang daming cow. Oo, pang ano yan, pang karera. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Pupunta kami dito. Now, where we gonna go?
Gotta find the horses. Mike and Beth will be going by the horses.
So now we're gonna go in the horse. Lots of horses, guys, here. A horse. A big horse. So many. There's lots of awards from exhibition. Hello. Hello. Dami niyang award. What's that? It's a cow. Ayan, sinasali nila yan. Mga yan, kita nyo may award sila. Sinasali nila yan sa show.
It's a milk.
You know this one? Suyaming. It's not very sweet.